In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go full screen on Google Meet using your laptop, which is especially useful if you want to eliminate distractions and focus entirely on your meeting. Whether you're using the built-in feature of Google Meet or the browser's options, I'll guide you step by step, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to join your Google Meet meeting. Once you're in, you'll notice the interface offers several controls at the bottom of the screen. To begin, direct your attention to the bottom right corner. There you'll find the More Options button, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this menu opens a list of additional settings and tools tailored to enhance your Google Meet experience. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Full Screen. Selecting this automatically expands your Google Meet window, allowing the call to take up your entire screen. This setting is perfect for when you want an uninterrupted view of the speaker or presentation. But what if the built-in Google Meet full screen mode is not enough, or you simply prefer a different approach? That's where your web browser's full screen capabilities come in. While you're actively participating in the meeting, you can use a keyboard shortcut for an immediate switch to browser full screen mode. If you're on a Windows laptop, simply press the F11 key. This transforms your entire browser view, hiding all toolbars and tabs, and immerses you in the Google Meet interface alone. Mac users, you'll do this by pressing Control, Command, and the F key simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut provides a clean and distraction-free environment on your Mac. When it's time to exit full screen and return to normal view, the process is just as straightforward. Windows users, you can toggle back by pressing the F11 key once again. If you're on a Mac, hit Control, Command, and F together to exit full screen mode, bringing back your browser tabs and toolbars. And there you have it, 2 effective methods for entering full screen mode on Google Meet. Whether you choose to use Google Meet's built-in feature or your browser's capabilities, these steps ensure you have control over your viewing experience and can focus wholly on your meeting tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating full screen modes on Google Meet. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials on maximizing your tech tools. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy meeting!